Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at an 8GB DDR4 memory module from Add More Memory, specifically designed for Gigabyte motherboards, including models MSCAP 00 and MZGelKDP 00. If you're looking to boost the performance of your system without breaking the bank, this could be a great option. This particular module operates at a speed of 2,400 MHz. While it's not the fastest RAM on the market, it strikes a good balance between performance and affordability, especially for older systems or budget-conscious builds. The 8GB capacity is sufficient for everyday tasks, light gaming, and general productivity. If you're currently running with 4GB or less, upgrading to 8GB will make a noticeable difference in multitasking and overall system responsiveness. Installation is straightforward, as with any standard DDR4 module. Simply locate the RAM slots on your Gigabyte motherboard and ensure they are compatible with DDR4 memory. Consult your motherboard manual for the correct installation procedure and slot configuration to maximize performance. The module clicks securely into place, and you should be up and running in no time. In terms of performance, the 2,400 MHz speed provides a decent boost over slower RAM modules. Applications load faster, multitasking becomes smoother, and you'll experience fewer slowdowns when running multiple programs simultaneously. While hardcore gamers and content creators might benefit from faster RAM with higher capacities, this 8GB module is a solid upgrade for the average user. The Add More Memory module is a reliable and cost-effective way to improve the performance of your Gigabyte motherboard-based system. It's easy to install, offers a noticeable performance boost, and is compatible with a range of Gigabyte motherboard models. If you're looking for a simple and affordable upgrade, this 8GB DDR4 module is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.